Hello and welcome to Empowering Indigenous Health. I'm Dr. O'Connell, and this week we're going to talk about coronavirus variants. A variant is a changed or mutated virus. Viruses are changing or mutating all the time, but most of the time we don't really notice. Sometimes, however, viruses can change in a way that affect their behavior. For example, they can change in such a way that makes it easier for the virus to be spread from person to person. Or they can change in the way that they affect people, making the disease more or less severe. They can even change in a way that allows them to evade the effects of a vaccine or medications. Throughout the world, there have been identified a large number of coronavirus variants. However, some recently have been in the news. These have names like the Brazil variant, the South Africa variant, or the UK variant. These variants all seem to be able to be spread from person to person more easily than other coronavirus variants. The concern is that as these variants come to the United States, they'll spread quickly because they spread so easily from person to person. There's no indication yet that these variants are more severe and make people more sick, or that the vaccines won't work at all against them. But they're pretty new, so we're going to learn more about that over time. So how do you protect yourself and your communities from these variants? You need to keep wearing your mask anytime you go outside your home. Keep 6 feet of distance when you're with people you don't live with. Those 2 actions will protect you and others from these variants. Of course, staying at home as much as possible and avoiding crowded spaces also helps. And when you're able to get the vaccine, you should get it. Getting vaccines will protect you and others from the coronavirus and help us achieve herd immunity. If you have questions about coronavirus variants, please see these websites. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Empowering Indigenous Health, where we give you the facts you need to take control of your health and wellness.